Alright, in this video we're going to be doing our 2023 4th of July noise shell comparison. We've got several different ball shells and several different canister shells here, and we're just going to shoot them one at a time here and see which one comes out on top. Probably we'll have two different categories here. We'll have one for the ball shells and one for the canister shells. Going down the line here, we've got a black box artillery here at the first one. We've got a home run shell, cherry blaster, sub-zero, that's a donkey ball, and then canister shells, we got the blue zombie shell, DP, that's a BUBBA shell, Iron Mike, Stallone, and the lantern shell. And then this last shell here, I just kind of threw this in as a bonus. It's a double break shell, color and noise, so I just figured I would throw that in as a bonus. But yep, so without further ado, let's get started.
And that one was only about 98.